Hi everyone, welcome back to Techtainment. Now, do you know where your memories are stored? Did you just say in your mind? Well, not until recently, researchers have found a place called your temporal lobes. And apparently, this is where a lot of neural activity happens. Not saying that this is the only place where your neurons are, it just has a high percentage of neurogenesis. Neurogenesis is the growth and development of brain cells. Your temporal lobes have a big impact on obtaining, storing, and recalling data, known as memory. There's high percentages of neurogenesis in your hippocampus. Now, this is located inside your temporal lobes. And in order to remember, our brain goes through the cycle of sensory data and encoding processes in order to make short-term memory our long-term memory. But don't let your mind play tricks on you, because every time we recall certain information, our perspective of it changes. So be careful with what you think you will remember. Now, within this cycle, it starts off with paying attention. You have to pay attention to your environments and the things that you allow in. So like what you hear, what you see, and just logical things about life. After this, it stays in your short-term memory from about 2 to 20 seconds, relative on your attention span. And then we go through different encoding processes, such as patterns, metaphors, using music to remember, and self-similarities between our environments. After, this allows your neurons to have a stronger grasp on what you remembered, hence making it your long-term memory. Your long-term memory can vary from like a day to a year to forever. It's all relative to how much you practice remembering. Now, some of us may be familiar with studying. Studying is a form of encoding where we repeat the same thing over and over again so it gets stuck into our brain. But there's more creative ways to remember, such as just going outside and making connections between things. Let's take a look at different encoding processes and how to make our short-term memory our long-term memory. Thank you. See you next shorts.